She is a top mojito maker, nice and strong. So it's mint, rum, brown sugar, ice. Right, okay. Right, mojitos, right? Here we go.
So today we are going to make mojitos. We need lemon and sugar at the bottom.
Looks
With
nice.
this one, we need to press. This is the first at all, eh? We need to press all at the bottom, okay? After it, we put the mint.
Oh,
You need
mint, mint, yeah.
Mint. You need only 1 day before in the freeze.
Right.
You need to, I don't know how to say in English, macerate, yeah?
Right.
After we put a little bit of rum, just a little, just a little,
Oh,
okay?
nice.
For mix all. After we put the ice, and for example, if you want a strong mojito, 5 seconds of rum. If you want soft, maybe 3, yeah?
Okay.
How do you want?
Well, my one's strong.
Okay, so 5 seconds, 1,
That my one, yeah?
2, 3, 4, and 5.
Nice.
Stop it, and after we can put 2 different types, okay? We can put lemon Fanta or Sprite. Why we use Sprite? Because the lemon with the lemon Fanta is not a good taste.
Okay, good,
I
good.
prefer this soda Sprite.
Yeah.
Sprite.
Yeah, Sprite.
We put chili top,
For the top.
and now we mix it. 1 spoon.
Alright, so what is that? Is that the sugar there? Is that brown
Yes,
sugar?
brown sugar.
Brown
Important,
sugar.
yeah.
Brown
So
sugar.
important. You can make with the other type of sugar, yeah. But with the brown is better because it takes a different color.
Yeah, it's nice. Oh, that's my one. That's a strong one.
Yeah.
And that's 5 seconds of rum.
If you want a strong, 5.
Yeah.
If you want soft, 3.
3
Yeah.
seconds, yeah.
Okay, so now we complete a little.
So you got,
1, 2,
yeah,
and that's it.
done.
The second mojito for you, my friend. Thank
Lovely,
you so
thank you
much.
very much, thank
you
you.
so much.
You like it?
You like it? I can record you.
That is good.
It's really good.
She is a top mojito maker, nice and strong.
Okay, you need to rate it, my friend.
Lovely, that is 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Thank you. Cheers.
Enjoy it.
Thank you. Cheers.